Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I wanted to talk about these no buy videos, no spend videos, because a lot of the things he says they're not doing. I do that all the time anyway. So I'm not doing a no buy or no spend year, week, month, whatever it is, because I'm hoping to move house soon, so I'm just trying to fix things up. Please don't mention the bathroom because it's a trashy moment. It's a bit trashed, yeah. So this is the list that some people have come up with, and I've picked out a few of them, and I'm thinking, I already do that all the time. Maybe I'm tight, maybe I'm too frugal. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think I'm being too cheap? Right, so number one, no new clothes unless I really need it. Already do that. Drink coffee at home, don't go out for it. Already do that. No new shoes until I need it. Already do that. Delete shopping apps. Don't use them anyway. I don't use Amazon and stuff like that. So, don't buy a new car. I've never had a car. Not interested in a car. Don't get finance for anything. Don't do that either. No eating out. Can't afford to do that. Just my budget is too tiny. I can't afford to eat out. Once a month, my son, when he gets paid, he'll get us something from the chippy, a little takeaway, but he pays for that. I don't. No visiting the hairdressers. Well, I dye my hair myself. She can no doubt see, and I trim the ends myself each time I do it, so I don't. No nails being done. I just use little nail cutters and that's it. I don't go to naily salon things. No. No water bottles, like people going mad for these Stanley cups and all the other mad name cups, bottles, whatever you want to call them. No, don't do that. No food deliveries, just like Uber Eats or Just Eat, Deliveroo, whatever they're called. Don't do that, because like you pay more than 50% more and the food arrives half cold and wilty. No thanks. No more home decor. I'm trying to declutter, so I don't want any more decor. I'm trying to get rid of mine. No purchasing of new bags or purses. Now, one of my bags I've had for 5 years and the other one I've had for 22, and my third bag is my shoppy bag and I made that myself from old denim jeans. So no, don't do that anyway. They're not buying a new phone this year apparently. Mine's about 4 or 5 years old. I haven't got an expensive phone plan. I use gift and top her up when I feel like. So I don't do it every month, and even then it's only 6 or 8 quid. No supermarket deliveries. No, I'd rather go in person because I don't have a car, so I go quite frequently. But I also like to look for the little bargains or things that are reduced, and you can't do that if you're online. Plus, when the pickers pick it, it mightn't be the best looking apples or fruit or potatoes or whatever it is they're picking for you. So I just think, no, I'd rather do it myself. So there you go. There's all the things I do all the time anyway. So apparently I didn't know I'm on a no spend lifetime, no buy lifetime, rather than a no buy week or month, day, year, whatever it is. So let me know, do you think I'm cheap? I probably am. So there you go. Thanks for watching and drop me a line in the comments below. Bye for now.